So, what if you could give a really complex scientific problem to an AI and then just walk away? That's pretty much the incredible promise of a new tool from Microsoft Research called Cosmos. People are calling it an autonomous AI scientist. And, it might just change how we discover, well, everything.
Okay, just imagine this for a second. You've got a problem, a real tough one, that would normally take a whole team of PhDs months, maybe even years to figure out. You take that problem and you hand it over to an AI. And that's it. You literally just walk away. Go get a coffee, work on something else. Heck, go to sleep for the night. Why? Because the AI is on the case now and it's working completely by itself. And see, this is what makes Cosmos so different. We're not talking about a chatbot you have to keep feeding prompts to. There's zero supervision needed, and you don't have to write a single line of code. It's a truly autonomous system.
All right, so let's properly meet this new kind of scientist.
So what is Cosmos, really? Well, it's the first large-scale autonomous AI built for one single purpose: scientific discovery. You give it a high-level goal, and for the next 12 hours, it just goes to work, all on its own, doing what might take a human researcher weeks or even months to accomplish. And it's really important to get this. This is not just some update. Microsoft released Cosmos 1 and 2 a few years back, and yeah, they were impressive. But this new Cosmos, announced in November 2025, represents a massive leap. It's a shift from being a tool to being a true autonomous scientist. So, what can you actually ask it to do? Well, the goals are incredibly ambitious. We're talking things like find new biomarkers for Alzheimer's, or here's a massive genetic data set, analyze it, or discover how these specific proteins behave under stress. These are huge, open-ended scientific questions. This all sounds absolutely incredible, maybe a little like science fiction. But how does it actually pull it off? Let's take a look under the hood. The secret sauce, the core of Cosmos, is something called a structured world model. Now, the easiest way to think about it is as a digital brain. See, unlike other AIs that might forget the context after a few prompts, this model has a long-term memory that works over thousands of steps. It remembers what it's seen, what it's learned, and, just as important, what has failed, so it doesn't keep wasting time going down dead ends. And get this. Cosmos isn't just a single AI. It's more like a whole team of specialists working together. First up, you've got the literature search agent. Its job is to find and read all the relevant scientific papers. Then, the hypothesis generator steps in to create new, testable ideas based on that reading. After that, the code execution agent writes and runs Python code to test those ideas. The data analysis agent figures out what the results mean. And finally, the report writer puts it all together in a final scientific report. It's a whole pipeline. And the scale we're talking about here is, well, it's hard to wrap your head around. In just one of those 12-hour runs, that search agent reads and understands 1,500 scientific papers. That's more than most human researchers read in their entire careers. And it does it in half a day. Then, to actually test the ideas that come from all that reading, the coding agent writes and runs over 42,000 lines of Python code. It's just a staggering amount of work, testing hypotheses at a speed that's literally impossible for a human being. Okay, so it can read and code at an insane speed. But does all that activity translate into actual, verifiable science? Let's get to the crucial part, the results. So here's the most critical point: trust. We all know that AI can hallucinate, right? Just make things up. Cosmos was built from the ground up to solve this with something called full traceability. Every single claim in its final report links directly back to its source, either to the exact lines of code that prove the result or the specific passage in a research paper it cited. No black boxes. And this is already leading to real, confirmed discoveries. For example, in Alzheimer's research, it found a brand new link between a specific gene and the early stages of the disease. In cardiology, it flagged a protein that could be an early warning sign for heart disease. This isn't just a simulation, you guys. This is real science happening. So when independent scientists came in and reviewed the reports that Cosmos generated, they found something pretty remarkable. With absolutely no human guidance, about 80% of the AI's claims were found to be accurate. That is just an incredible level of reliability for a system that's completely on its own. So, let's zoom out. What does a tool like this actually mean for the future of science itself? You know, the single biggest limit in science has always been time. The time it takes to read, to code, to test, to analyze. This is the paradigm shift. Literature reviews that used to take months now take hours. Research projects that took years could now be done in months. Cosmos just shatters that bottleneck.
The implications here are just massive. Imagine every single researcher on the planet having a tireless AI partner. The speed up in fields like drug discovery could be world-changing, designing new medicines not in decades, but in years, or maybe even months. We could automatically check scientific papers for errors, and most excitingly, generate new hypotheses faster than a human could even dream them up.
And that right there is the fundamental shift. We are moving from an era where AI is just a tool to retrieve information, to answer our questions, to a new era where AI is a tool for creating knowledge. It's not just finding answers that already exist out there, it's discovering things nobody has ever known before.
And the best part is, this powerful tool isn't being locked away in some Microsoft vault. It's actually being made available through a company called Edison Scientific. There's a free tier for academics and a paid tier for commercial labs that's pretty accessible. The point is, they want to get this technology into the hands of researchers fast.
Which, of course, leaves us with one final massive question. If an AI can now do months of research in a single day, make discoveries that humans have missed, and automate the very process of science, are we standing at the very beginning of a machine-driven scientific revolution? And if so, what happens next?